and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I am again back with another amazing and very profitable project. So before starting the further review, if you are new on my channel, please like and to hit the bell icon for further upcoming notification and videos. So guys, let's start our today review. So today I am here with the Lewspell. As you can see the beautiful profile of Lewspell, the cryptocurrency of digital gladiator. Experience the thrill of line fighting where power and strategy reign. So this was a little bit introduction. Now I will tell you more about this amazing project. So what is about Lewspell? Lewspell is more than just a gaming currency. It is a revolution in the world of online gladiators. Developed by the Pump Fund platform and launched on the Solana network, Lewspell was created especially for the gladiator universe. In our game, players take on the role of warrior lions fighting in an epic collision. So with the exclusive currency Lewspell, they can obtain unique weapons, armor and the characters. So available through NFTs, Lewspell will be listed on Radium and other exchanges, allowing players to trade and make the most of these immersive experiences. So this was about the Lewspell. Now I will tell you more about this amazing project. So here you can see more about this amazing project, Lewspell revolution in the gaming world. So objective of Lewspell was developed to become a reference in the gaming cryptocurrency market, combining cutting edge technology with an incomparable gaming experiences. So our mission is to conquer a place among the 100 largest cryptocurrency in the world, taking the universe of digital gladiators to a new level. So committed to the gaming community, Lewspell offers more than just currency. It's an immersive gaming experience where players can acquire and collect unique items such as weapons and armor and evolve as warrior in an epic collision. So we believe in the power of players and strength of the community to make this revolution. So this was the objective, and here you can see their exclusive NFTs. In the Lewspell universe, NFTs are fundamental pieces. Every line, weapon and armor acquired with Lewspell is exclusive and valued by the community. Invest in rare items and become the strongest gladiator in the colosseum. So the Lion's Shield and the Heavenly Roar Sword. So what's the Lion Shield? The Sorcerer Frog's Lion Shield is a magical piece of enchanted iron with glowing runes and a lion carved in the center. Created by a sorcerer, it offers physical and magical protection. So this was about the Lion Shield. Here is the Heavenly Roar Sword. So a blade forged with the essence of heaven and the power of ancient roars. Celestial Roar is a legendary sword that amplifies the strength and speed of the lion gladiator. So this was about their NFTs. These are the Vulcanius Claw Axes and Thorns of the Destiny. Here you can read about their NFTs. So here is the economics or the tokenomics and use of Lewspell. So what are their tokenomics? So total supply is 1 billion coins on the Solana network. Here you can see their division: 60% liquidity, 10% games, 20% marketing, 10% development. Here is their contract address on Solana. You can copy from here and you can copy from here and you can be the holder of this amazing token. So here is the burn mechanism. So you know this amazing token have the burn mechanism. So the burning tokens with each purchase of the item in the game, reducing the supply in the circulation. The more you play and conquer, the more the value of Lewspell grows. So this was about tokenomics. Here you can see the game Lewspell gameplay. So Lewspell puts you in the role of gladiator lion fighting for glory in the colosseum. Face players from all over the world in exciting and strategic battles, where every weapon, armor and NFT makes differentials. So game highlights. Here you can see characters and fights. You can choose from powerful and customizable lines, and here is the item acquisitions, and here is the game economy and economic system, and here you can see the burning in the game, and you can join their arena. Get ready to enter a new world of battles and conquest. With Lewspell, a revolutionary gaming experience is coming, where players from all corners of the planet will be able to unite, compete and collect victories like never before. So unlock legendary items, conquer tertiaries and prove your strength in an online universe that promises to challenge the best warriors. So this was about their conquest. Here you can see their roadmap. Here are the roadmap and mission and vision. So 2024 launch and consolidation, 2025 expansion and potential listing in top 10 brokers, and in 2026 mission top 100. So this was about their mission. Here you can see enter the arena and conquer the colosseum with Lewspell. Get it now at Pump Fund and be the part of digital gladiator revolution. So guys, you can buy it from pump fun. I will show you in later part of my video. Here you can also see their white paper. These are their communities. You can join their communities and you can be part of their amazing platform. So now I will show you their communities also. So this is their Telegram account. Here you can see their member. I am also part of their community. You have to join their communities. Now I will show you their Twitter account. So this is their Telegram. So here is their Twitter account. So guys, I am also following them. You have to follow their Twitter and Telegram account now. So here is the chart. Here you can see their chart also. Here you can see it's completely bluish graph. If you will buy it today, you will be benefited tomorrow. So here you can see the token price also. Here you can see their total volume, their liquidity and their market cap and the token age. Here you can know everything you want to know about this amazing token. So this was about their chart. Now I will show you how to buy or swap this amazing token. So next, so here you can see their graph also. So guys, this is their swap and buy system. Here you can see you have to enter your amount and this amount of token you will receive in your wallet. So guys, don't waste your time. It seems to be golden opportunity for you. You have to hold this amazing token if you want to do something big in your life. So guys, this was about their buy system. So guys, don't skip any part of the video. I have placed all the official link in my bio. How was the video? Please like and comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.